Hello everyone, welcome to the BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive app for all exams. Let me know that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine. Now I am going to discuss each and everything about a GATE exam, right? And this is a very golden opportunity for all the engineers and for second year students, third year students, final year students or what dropout students. और जो जॉब में है उनके लिए भी that session is very very important. In this session we are going to get idea about what is GATE exam, right, and what are the pattern of the GATE exam, what are the opportunities after a GATE exam, each and everything, right? And then it will be followed by a very important session, that is a master plan to get single digit rank in GATE and engineering services exam. So Navneet, very good evening. Now let me know that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine. If everything is fine, then first of all like the session, share the link of this session so that student will join and subscribe our channel, because we are going to take important sessions for all these competitive exams. Very good evening. Now this is my introduction. Myself Sanjay Rathi, 20 plus years of teaching experience in the field of competitive exams like ESE, GATE and PSU. Now I will share my experience with you. That is my experience. Now second thing, these are my achievements. AIR 16 in ESE 2005, this is my rank, and AIR 21 in ESE 2008, right? And I have mentored more than 1 lakh students for these competitive exams. Everything is fine. Navneet, Sandeep Sharma, Chris Joshi. Okay, very good evening and hello. Now, so that is, I am going to take one session, that is master plan for GATE and ESE 2023 on 23rd April. Please note the time, on 23rd April at 9 PM. Here I will give the idea how to get the command over the subject, what about the basics and what about the conceptual questions, right? How to make the detailed notes and short notes. And that is, this session is important for what? Second year students, third year students, final year, as well as what? Dropper. So that is a master plan for GATE and engineering services exam 2023, right? What day to day plan, I will give each and everything. कैसे आप effectively use कर सकते हो each and every day. Each and every minute is important for national level exams like what? GATE and engineering services. Okay, so I will share my experience on 23rd April at 9 PM. Now that is the session by Rakesh Talreja sir on 24th April at 12:30 PM. That is a workshop. You can register on our app, that is the BYJU'S Exam Prep. Free GATE workshop, learn how to secure under 100 in a GATE 2023. That is what simply called single digit rank. Okay, now definitely I am going to take that how to make the short notes and how to make the detailed notes, okay, and how to make the formula notes for competitive exams. I will share all my experience with you, okay. Then my dear friends, we are talking about the GATE 2023 or GATE 2024, or we can simply say all about the GATE exam. So you have idea that it is the graduate aptitude test in engineering. Yes, what is the full form? Graduate aptitude test in engineering. But it does not depends upon your knowledge of aptitude, it depends upon your attitude. आपका रवैया कैसा है, right? And what you thinking about the particular exams, what about your preparation? Definitely you want to get the single digit rank, yes or no? How many students want the single digit rank in GATE exam and other competitive exams? For example, I am preparing for GATE, then I want single digit rank. If I am preparing for engineering services exam, then I want single digit rank. How many students are thinking like this? It depends upon your attitude, not on aptitude, okay. So that first of all you have to make some goal. Yes sir, I want single digit rank in this exam. Then what about the pattern, what about the syllabus, and which type of questions they may ask, and how to get the command over this subject, which are the standard textbook, how to make the short notes, how to revise all these subjects within limited time. These are the questions. Okay, so that is the GATE exam that is conducted by what? Jointly by Indian Institute of Science Bangalore or 7 Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras and what? Roorkee. Okay, and that is on the behalf of National Coordinate Board, NCB, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education. That is so simple. You heard about this, IISc Bangalore and what? 7 Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT. Second thing, that why should we have to qualify the GATE exam, right? If you suppose you want to take admission in what IIT for MTech or IISc Bangalore, then you have to get the good rank in what? GATE exams, right? And that is the opportunity. The qualifying in GATE is a mandatory requirement for seeking admission and or what? Financial assistance. If you have the valid GATE score, then you are going to get what? Scholarship in IIT or other NITs. If you want to do the MTech or higher studies, then master's programs and direct doctoral program in engineering and technology or architecture. You can directly go for what? MTech, or you can go for what? PhD also, right? So these are the programs. Or sometimes even in some colleges and institution which admits student without, right? This is the Ministry of Education, scholarship and assistantship. We can directly get the admission without a scholarship or assistantship, but the GATE qualification is mandatory. This is also important. कई लोगों को रहता है ना, अच्छा सर मुझे स्कॉलरशिप नहीं चाहिए, तो क्या मुझे GATE एग्जाम देना है या नहीं देना चाहिए? Then in that case you have to also again you have to give the GATE exam so that you will get the valid score card, right? Then second thing, many public sector undertaking like this year have been using the GATE score in their recruitment process. This is very, very important thing. Public sector undertaking. Now, for all these, you have to get the good marks, good rank in what? Coming GATE exams. If suppose you are focusing on GATE 2023, it is necessary. If suppose you are focusing on GATE 2024 again, and if you have the long term vision, GATE 2025. So how many students have the long term vision? First year student, GATE 2024, because third year students are eligible for what? GATE 2023, right? Third year and final year students. Now the second year student will focus on what? GATE 2024. Now the first year student will focus on what? GATE 2025. Yes. So because the first year students will be eligible for GATE exam, GATE 2025. That is called long term vision. Yes, we can start our preparation from first year onwards. Yes. फर्स्ट ईयर में ही बहुत सारे कॉमन सब्जेक्ट है. यू कैन प्रिपेयर व्हाट? मैथ्स और व्हाट? एप्टीट्यूड एंड जनरल इंजीनियरिंग. वो दैट ऑल दीज सब्जेक्ट, ऑल दीज नॉलेज विल हेल्प यू. ओके, तो दैट इज द केस. नाउ अब what is the tentative date for that? GATE 2023 examination will be conducted in first and second weeks of February 2023. That is the tentative, because under COVID situation there may be some changes in the date, but almost first and second weeks of the February. Then GATE 2023 will be organized by IIT Kanpur this time. That is the IIT Kanpur. Okay, if there is some changes then definitely we will inform you. And the formal notice for examination and application forms will be available after September 2023. September 2023. So Sandeep Sharma, you are focusing on 2023, and other students 2023 or 2024, right, or 2025. अब बता दो, what is the importance of this notification? September 2023 you will get the official notification for application form and syllabus, each and everything, right? GATE exam on weekends? No sir. Yes, no, normally weekends. Now Saturday Sunday. It is on what? Saturday Sunday, first week of Feb, first and second week of Feb, Saturday and Sunday, weekends. Second thing, some students will start their preparation after notification. Number of students will start their preparation after notification. ये तो ऐसा समझते जैसे सेमेस्टर एग्जाम है. सेमेस्टर एग्जाम की तैयारी आप कब करते हैं? सेमेस्टर एग्जाम की तैयारी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं जब हमें नोटिफिकेशन आ जाता है, आफ्टर दिस डेट द सेमेस्टर एग्जाम विल स्टार्ट, आफ्टर द नोटिफिकेशन वी आर स्टार्टिंग आवर प्रिपरेशन, यस और नो, राइट। और कई स्टूडेंट तो ऐसे हैं ओवरनाइट एक ही रात में पूरी तैयारी कर लेंगे, तो ऐसे भी बहुत सारे दिग्गज हैं। नॉर्मली इंजीनियरिंग में ऐसा ही होता है, बट this method will not work for GATE exam. This method is not work for what? GATE exam. Why? National level exams, competition is very very high, right? And you have to start your preparation as early as possible, sincerely, right? So that is the tentative date for notification. Then second thing, it is fully computer based test, CBT. You have to go to, it is not online, means you have to go to the center, and that is what's completely computer based test. You will get a one rough sheet and then you have to mark the answer, right? And that is the pattern for a GATE exam. Now please, to practice this, give mock test and use what? Virtual calculator only. Use virtual calculator only, so that you will get the command over the virtual calculator, and so that you will get the idea about what is the computer based test, right? Practice is required so that we can avoid silly mistakes. And time management is also important, because you are going to get only 3 hours. In 3 hours you have to solve 65 questions from various subjects, from mathematics, from aptitudes and other subjects also, right? So sir, okay. Now that is total number of subjects paper 29. All test papers of GATE 2023 examination will be entirely of objective type. Yes, we are going to get the objective. What are the pattern? Now in a GATE pattern we are going to get 3 types of questions, right? First till 2022, right? If suppose there is some changes, then we will inform you, but almost the pattern will remain same in GATE 2023. First, MCQs, multiple choice question. In multiple choice questions, out of 4 only one answer, will be correct. And then second one, this is the MCQ. Second is numerical answer type question, and third one is simply MSQ, multiple select question. And this time MSQ, number of questions from multiple select question. Multiple select question means multiple correct options. You will have the 4 options A, B, C, D. Out of these 4, all 4 may be correct, 3 may be correct, 2 may be correct, or single may be correct. That is called MSQ, multiple select question. Now to solve this question, superficial knowledge is required. Okay, no problem. MSQ means out of 4 only 1 is correct. We can use the method of elimination. Sometimes we are using the method of elimination or various types of method to solve this MCQs, right? Sometimes unit based solution, and so on. Numerical answer type questions means you have to solve the question and you have to give the answer within single digit, or up to what, 2 decimal places, up to 3 decimal places. This type of questions with negative or positive sign. Here, numerical answer type question means filling the blanks. For new students, remember that it is a filling the blanks type question. If it is filling the blanks type question, then in MCQ we have negative marking. In MCQ we have negative marking. How many negative marking? 1/3. What is the meaning of 1/3 negative marking? If the question is of 1 mark, then negative marking is 1/3. If the question is of 2 marks, then negative marking is 2/3. Remember this. There will be a negative marking in MCQ, multiple choice question. But in numerical answer type question, no negative marking. No negative marking. In MSQ, no negative marking. No negative marking. Right? Now, but if suppose you are giving the partial answer means, in this case, if you are giving the partial answer, means A, B, C are correct. Let A, B, C are correct. but you are giving only A, B. Your answer is A, B. So what about the marks? 0 marks, right? You are going to get what? 0 marks, but there will be no negative marking. So please tell me, if we are having the 2 options or 3 options, then we have to attempt this type of questions or simply leave it? You have to attempt this type of questions or simply leave it? Yes, please tell me. So if you want, you have to attempt this question. Why you have to attempt this question? Because there is no negative marking. No negative marking. If suppose we are going to get the partial answer, only partial answer, let A or B we are getting, let A, B, C we are getting, or something else, then simply mark the question, right? Because there is no negative marking. Second, if we are getting the answer here, if suppose we are thinking that it is wrong, again fill the answer here, right? Suppose I am getting the 20.3, but I am not confident enough that may be right or may be wrong. To simply put this answer, because it is numerical answer type question, there is no negative marking. No negative marking. Okay, you have to attempt this type of questions. Yes, Sandeep. Now, in MCQ, be careful, because there is negative marking. You have to avoid what? Silly mistakes. You have to avoid silly mistakes, right? Otherwise you are going to get the negative marking here. So that is about the pattern. Fully computer based test, total number of subjects 29. All test paper of GATE 2023 will be entirely of objective type, and that is the pattern of the question: multiple choice question, multiple select questions, and numerical answer type questions. Now from last year, we can give 1 or 2 subjects. It is allowed. So what are the pair? Means we can give, electronics student can give the paper through what? Electronics as well as what? Electrical branch. Similarly, we have the eligibility criteria. Then watch this pair. 2 subject means, for example, civil engineering. So for civil engineering, what are the options? AE, AR, ES, GE, NM. So these are the full form, right? Aerospace engineering for AE, AR means architecture and planning, right? ES, environmental science and engineering, geomatics engineering, and then naval architecture and marine engineering. So these are the civil engineering. You can give the first paper, first primary paper, and then what? Second paper. You can choose second paper from out of this 5. Similarly, computer science, electronics, right? And then that is the GE, geomatics engineering, and then what? MA and ST, mathematics, statistics. Now EC, that is important branch, electronics and telecommunication. Now you can choose what? Instrumentation branch, physics, electrical engineering, computer science, and geomatics. These are the choice. So how many students want to give the GATE exam with 2 papers? Yes, how many students want to attempt? If you want to attempt, then you have to decide now. If you want to give the GATE paper with electronics and what? Instrumentation, or if you want to give the paper with electronics as well as what? Electrical engineering, you have to decide now, because we have to prepare 2 subjects. No doubt, number of subjects are common. In these 2 papers, but extra 30 to 40% we have to prepare. For example, electronics student want to choose what? Electrical branch. Then you have to get the command over what? Machine, power system, power electronics, measurement. 4 extra subject, right? So please go through the syllabus of all these, decide it, right? What will be the second paper? Similarly, electrical student decide. You have the 2 choice only, electronics or what? Instrumentation. Instrumentation branch, you have the 3 choice from electronics, electrical and physics. And then similarly for mechanical engineering, AE, CH, NM, PI and what? XE. So number of students are giving the GATE exam with what? 2 papers, right? लेकिन ऐसा है ना कि कई लोग प्रिपरेशन बहुत लेट स्टार्ट करते. They will decide before 1 month or 2 months, or they will decide exactly at what? September, after the notification. It will be too late, right? उस समय आप प्रिपरेशन नहीं कर पाएंगे. All subjects have its gravity, right? We have to cover the syllabus. Otherwise, if you simply want to attempt or simply you want to qualify the GATE exam, it doesn't matter. But if you want to get the single digit rank in all the papers, then go through the syllabus of all these papers systematically and decide the subject now. Decide the subject now. Okay. So that is your primary subject. Everyone, whether you are from civil branch or electronics branch or electrical, instrumentation, mechanical or computer science, it doesn't matter. You have to decide now which data are required. Simply go through the syllabus of all these papers. Last year syllabus, GATE 2022 syllabus of electronics, electrical, instrumentation, and which subjects are common, which are the extra subjects. Similarly for civil branch, similarly for computer science branch, similarly for instrumentation branch. Go through the syllabus of electronics, electrical and physics, and then decide what are the opportunities. If suppose I am giving the paper from electronics and electrical, why we are giving? If suppose I am from the electronics and I am giving the paper electronics as well as what electrical, why we are giving? Why we are giving? First question that should be in your mind, why? टाइम पास है क्या? जो भी मन में आ रहा है वो देते रहेंगे, राइट? प्रिपरेशन, अगर आप दो सब्जेक्ट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली एक की प्रिपरेशन क्या होगी? हैम्पर होगी. उसकी बजाय अगर नहीं देना है तो आप सिंपली एक सब्जेक्ट पर फोकस कीजिए. एक सब्जेक्ट पर आप फोकस करके अपनी रैंक अचीव कीजिए. Why? That will be the question in your mind. If you have the answer for this question, why, then start your preparation now. Okay. Now these are the types of the question. Examination pattern, 3 hours duration, type of the question, multiple choice question, multiple select questions, numerical answer type question, right? Which type of question in GATE exam, right? They will check your recall, comprehension, application, analysis, and what? Synthesis. So that's why in GATE exam normally we are getting the question what? Application based question, not very 5% to 10% questions theory based. In MSQ again depth knowledge of subject is required. Depth knowledge of subject is required to solve MSQ, multiple select question. Numerical answer type questions, you have to get the idea how to apply the particular concept or how to apply the particular formula in given questions. So application based questions. Don't try to mug up the concept. Don't try to mug up the concept. Get the command over the concept. And for this, notes are required. Detailed notes, short notes, formula notes, important questions, questions from what is standard textbook, right? And if you want to solve the previous year question, try to solve the previous year questions by different methods. Method 1, method 2, method 3, and so on. Because that much knowledge is required in a GATE exam. Number of questions, right? Last year pattern, general aptitude 10 questions, 55 subject based, total 65 questions. General aptitude we are getting 15 marks. This is the number of questions, 65 total questions. Engineering mathematics 13 marks. So total apti plus mathematics is what? 23 marks. Now give me 1 minute. Then second thing, total 100 marks, and your questions from your subject, for example electronics, electrical, mechanical or civil, total 72 marks from your branch. Negative marking already I have mentioned, 1/3 and 2/3 negative marking in MCQ only. So my dear, that is the important subject from civil engineering. Mathematics and aptitude is common. Mathematics and aptitude is common. Give me 1 minute. Hello, that please inform me that everything is fine. Okay, so these are the important subject. Mathematics is common, aptitude is common, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, water resources engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, and geomatics engineering. A separate branch है, that is on geomatics engineering. You can give the GATE exam. Then similarly for electronics, mathematics and aptitude is common. Then network, signal and system, electronic devices, analog, these are the core subject. These are the basic subject, network and signal and system. Then digital, control system, communication, electromagnetics. Okay, so these are the subjects. Then electrical, same, like watch the syllabus. Around 70% syllabus are same, but you have to get the command over what? Machine, power system, power electronics and measurement. For electrical and electronics, machine, right? And then measurement, power electronics, power system. These are the extra subject. Mathematics common, network or circuit theory is common, signal and system is common, analog, digital, control system, electromagnetic, it is common in electrical and electronics branch. Now communication is not in electrical branch, right? Then instrumentation branch, engineering mathematics, network, almost similar, but here it is a machine. Basic concept of machine is required. Electricity and magnetism, right? Signal and system, analog, digital circuit, control system, common. This is the new subject, sensor and industrial instrumentation. Communication is similar. Optical instrumentation, you have to get some idea about this and measurement. That is the measurement. So that is the syllabus of instrumentation branch. Now you can choose, right? Electronics, electrical and instrumentation branch, number of subjects are common. Okay. Now that is about the mechanical engineering. Mathematics and aptitudes are common. These are the important subject. Applied mechanics and design, fluid mechanics and thermal science, and material manufacturing and industrial engineering. These are the important subjects. Okay. So I think you have got the idea about the GATE 2023 and GATE 2024. Go through the syllabus, go through the previous year paper, start your preparation now. And if you want to get some idea how to start, how to make notes, then I am going to take important session on 23rd April at 9 PM. Master plan for GATE and Engineering Services Exam 2023. Right? So please subscribe our channel, like the session and share the link of this session. You are on BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive app for all exams. Thank you for attending the session and good night.